Right, I agree. That's good.
Lah kok kancane dhewe niki ora nganggo kenang-kenangan. Terus ora elok. Kaya wong dremis ngisi-ngisini waris. Kudune awake dhewe iki malah sing urunan menehi dheweke, menehi kenang-kenangan, ora malah kuwalik. Oh iya bener, setuju. Apik kuwi.
I immediately went to class because the students were already waiting for me. If I'm not teaching this class, I will regret because all the students are diligent. Throughout the lesson, they will pay attention to the teacher. Every time a task is given, the students always do it until the last bell rings. Even some students remain in class while waiting for slot preparation.
Aku agi-agi metu mergo wis ditunggu murid ning ruang B. Yen ora mulang kelas iki rasane eman-eman banget. Bocahe sregep kabeh angger diulang padha nggatekke. Saben nggarap tugas mesti nganti ngentekke ketuk bel terakhir. Kepara ana sing tetep pengin ora bali karo nunggu persiapan pramuka.
When teaching at the last hour like this, I always remember of Mr. Briono, the room attendant who was the most diligent at the time. When I was still explaining, sometimes Mr. Briono stood in front of the classroom carrying a broom, walked back and forth while occasionally looking at the class. I know, actually he just wanted the class to end soon.
Yang mulang jam terakhir ngono kuwi malah kelingan Kang Buyono. Petugas ruang sing paling sejuk jaman sakmono. Enak-enak lagi nerangke kadang kala Kang Bu ngadeg ning arep lawang nggawa sapu. Wira-wiri karo ingak-inguk aku mau batin Pak Bune mung kondang rampung banjir.
But Alhamdulillah, what I like the most is when he is about to retire, he becomes very diligent in prayer. The mosque hasn't sounded the call for prayer, he must already be there. Unlike when he still knew Pak Gahan, he likes the count.
Sing tak senengi, alhamdulillah, saplai arep pensiun wingi ngibadahi sregep tenan. Masjid durung azan, dheweke wis mangkat. Beda wektu jaman isih akrab karo Pak Dalan biyen. Senengane mung sinau itung-itungan.
Time flies. It turns out that I've been teaching beyond the time. It should be azan. A call to prayer has been heard. You know, I'm old. Soon I'll retire, I think.
Ora krasa jebul leh mulang wis liwat jam. Ngerti-ngerti wis adzan asar. Ya maklum lah wis tuwa. Deret engkas ya nyusul pensiun. Kasihan 5 Agustus 2023. Terima kasih.
Thank you very much.